Hi, this is Bogdan from Romania. I will try to give you some practical tips on how you can do better dental photography using a smartphone and anything you can find in a dental office. So, what do you need? Obviously, the smartphone. Then, you'll need some good quality tissue retractors. And we all have in the office surgical retractors, basic photo, but I like to use what is called custom tissue retractors. You can cut them at the 45-degree angle, and it's very easier to do photos if you're doing the mandible or you are using it in the maxilla, okay? What you'll also need is some good quality contrastors. I have two of them, or I use two of them. One is from Denkov, my friend in Timișoara, and one is of course from Style Italiano. First of all, you should disinfect the phone. Of course, we are dentists, we know how to do that. When it comes to dental photography or photography in general, what you need to understand is that the most important thing is not the gear, but the light, or how you manage the light. So, in the dental office, you have a very good source of light, it's the dental chair light, but it's a spot one, so you're not going to use that. You're going to use something to diffuse it. You can use any basic cloth. We all have some bib holders that you can use and hold the cloth over the light. What you need to understand is that it's better to use a space, to have a space between the cloth and the light because it will diffuse the light nicer. Okay? You can also use any thin piece of paper, it should be white of course, or you can use, even if you want, a plastic bag. I think it's even easier because all you have to do is make it like this and put it over the light. And you have plenty space, it's not going to be near the light source. Okay. When it comes to technique, you are using the retractor. That's why I like the Denko phone because it's very stiff, okay? You put it inside the patient mouth and you can use it for, you can use the phone and the contrastor to frame the picture better, okay? You will do the photo, you can do 45 degrees, you should move the phone like this, you don't tilt it, so you get the same angles, okay? So you do 45, you do front, and again 45, okay? When you're doing the photo, every new generation phone cameras have a function, it's called locked focus, okay? Basically you are putting the thumb on the camera, you press it and you hold it like this and it will lock focus. You should lock it on the teeth and then you make the picture, okay? You also need, and it's most important, to know how to position the light because the light should come from above for two reasons. One is that you will be, if you put it behind you, you cannot focus the picture because you have to be side of the camera, okay? If you put the light above the patient, it should come more or less 90 degrees, okay? You will have more texture in your picture, in your teeth picture, you have more nicer gingiva colors in your picture, so everything will fit perfectly. Then if you do that, you won't have to edit the pictures, you just crop them and you're good to go. I hope my practical tips will give you much nicer photo before and after, and you can show it to the patient easier. You can also use the before and after to post it on Facebook, let's say on Style Italiano or Microvision Group, and you'll get nice feedback on your work and you will grow each day more and more and become a better dentist, because that is the reason we all do things on internet. It was very nice talking to you. Until next time, bye-bye.